Okay, to solve question 43, it says that the bottom of a box is to be a rectangle with a perimeter of 36 centimeters. The formula for perimeter of a rectangle is perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. The perimeter is to be 36. So the equation is 36 equals 2L plus 2W. The question then says the box must be 4 centimeters high. Okay, this is not the length nor the width, and it says what dimensions give the maximum volume. Okay, so we're talking about volume of a rectangular box or prism. So the volume equals length times width times height. Now again, it says what dimensions give the maximum volume. Okay, so this is our volume function that we're going to want to graph. Unfortunately, right now it's in terms of 3 different unknowns, which is not good. So what we want to do is we want to try to write this in terms of 1. Now what it does say is that the height has to be 4. So we can now write the volume as 4LW. And what we can do over here with this perimeter equation is we can solve for either L or W, it doesn't matter. I'll say 2L is equal to 36 minus 2W. So the length equals 18 minus W. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to substitute it into the volume function, which will now give us volume in terms of the width. And when simplified, gives us a negative 4W squared plus 72W. Okay? So now we have volume in terms of the width. If we were to graph this, volume would be y, and it would be equal to negative 4 times x squared, so x is the width, plus 72W, x. And if we were to graph that x, what we can see is that the maximum volume is a little over 300 cubic centimeters. So instead of using the graph in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use our equation x equals negative b over 2a to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, and we'll plug that in to find the maximum value. Okay, remember x stands for the width in this case. So negative b over 2a would be a negative 72 over a negative 8. So x is equal to 9, so the width is 9 centimeters. Now we want to take this and we want to plug it in, okay, into a width of 9. So the volume with a width of 9 would be negative 4 times 9 squared plus 72 times 9. That would be negative 4 times 81 plus 72 times 9. And then that would be 324. So the width is 9 centimeters. The maximum volume is 324 centimeters cubed. Now if the width is 9, we still have to plug in to find the length. Okay? Now we can plug in here, or knowing the maximum volume, I guess we could plug in here, but I'm going to plug in right here. So the perimeter, which is 36, is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. The width is 9. 36 equals 2L plus 18. Subtract 18. 18 equals 2L. Therefore, the length is also equal to 9. Okay, so the length is 9 centimeters. The width is 9 centimeters. And the max volume is 324 centimeters cubed. And that's the answer to question number 43.